Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before we get right into the video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the February giveaway. So February's giveaway, I don't have it in my hand. It's actually currently in the process of being delivered to me, but it's none other than an Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation that comes with oh my gosh, Alexa, I think it is, where you speak to it and it will respond. It's amazing. You can connect to like the lights in your house. You can ask it to play music. You can talk to it, keep you company, ask for a recipe, whatever it may be. It's gonna be like your best friend probably. But all you have to do to enter to win this amazing Amazon Echo Dot is hit subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below what your favorite color is. That's all you have to do, and this amazing prize can be yours. It's so economical and it'll be amazing, and I hope you win it. So all you have to do is hit subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below what your favorite color is. Okay, you guys, enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a very important video for you, so make sure you stay tuned till the very end. So I'm going to talk to you about something that happens every 60 seconds. I'm not sure if you know what it is, but according to the National Highway Traffic Control, a car crash happens every 60 seconds. You guys, that's so unfortunate. I mean, that's so sad. And that's exactly why I think it's so important for me to give you a video letting you know what to do the next time you get into a car crash. So I have what's called a rule of 8. And I believe if you follow these 8 steps, you will be fine. And you will know what to do next time you get into a car crash. But before I get into my rule of 8, I just want to make a disclaimer that everything I'm going to be saying in this video, it is not legal advice. I'm not your attorney. There is no attorney-client privilege. So, but if you want to retain me as your attorney, contact me and we'll talk. But for the time being, everything I'm going to tell you, it's just a guide to help you next time you get into a car crash. So let's get right into the video. So first rule of thumb is to seek medical help. When you're in a car crash, you know, a lot of people, they're shy to call the ambulance, or they are hesitant to go to the hospital or seek physical therapy for some reason. I don't want you to be one of those people. If you feel pain or if you are injured, get an ambulance, go to the hospital, go to the ER, be seen, and get your injuries and your pain documented. It's so important. And I want you to remember to take care of yourself. Put yourself first. So, you know, sometimes when you get into a car crash, you might not feel pain right away. Maybe you'll start feeling pain the next day. So in that event, you know, if your back hurts, if your neck hurts, if, you know, like your arm or something hurts, I recommend you go to the doctor and get it checked out, because you're probably not a doctor. I'm not a doctor, or at least not a doctor of the body. So you don't know if you have internal bleeding, because that could happen in a car crash. So get yourself checked out, do yourself a favor, and take care of yourself. So rule number 1 is to seek medical attention, get an ambulance, and get medical treatment. Rule number 2 is to fill out a police report. You guys, this is so important. A lot of people skip out on this step because they think, you know, it's not important, it's not a big car crash, but later on they realize that, you know what, their injuries are more severe and there's more damage than what they thought, and they wish they would have filled out a police report. It's so important to fill out a police report because on that form, the police will take down both drivers' names, contact information, insurance information, where it happened, the kind of day it was it sunny, was it rainy, the time it was, the date it was. I mean, the police report is like golden. It'll document majority of the information that you would need. So it's very important to fill out a police report. And I know actually in some states, like for example here in Massachusetts, if you have car damage that's over $1,000 worth of car damage, then it's required you to fill out a crash report within 5 days of the car crash. So just like that, your state might have its own requirements, so make sure you don't miss up on them. Make sure you follow them, and you know of them, because mere ignorance of the law is not enough to cut it. So rule number 1, seek medical attention. Rule number 2, fill out a police report, because best way to document what happened at the scene. Rule number 3 is report the car crash to your insurance company. A lot of people as well for this, they skimp out on it because they're like, you know what, my car doesn't have so much damage, maybe I can just get away with it. No, it's very important for you to document and call your car insurance company and let them know you got into a car crash. Because let's say in the event you don't report it and they come to find out about it, maybe perhaps the following time you get into a car crash, that's going to be really bad, you guys. I know insurance policies out there, if they have a specific rule in the contract, you should take a look what's written in your car insurance policy, where if you fail to report a car crash, they have the right, they made themselves have the right to not pay for your car damages, or and then you have to end up having to pay everything out of pocket. So in order to avoid consequences, it's very important to report the accident to your car insurance company. Don't forget to do that. The 4th tip I have is so important. Gather information at the scene. And I'm talking about the other driver's name, contact information, insurance information. Get pictures, you guys. Get pictures of your car, of the other driver's car, front, back, on the sides. Get pictures of your injury. Get pictures of the scene of the accident, like with both cars together. See if there's any witnesses there. Pay attention to if there's any video cameras. A lot of stores these days have security cameras outside of their store, or even outside of people's homes. So pay attention to where there are security cameras, and pay attention to any witnesses who are there. If there are people who witnessed the crash, get their names, get their contact information, because all this will come in handy later. So document the car crash as well as you can and as in-depth as you can. Very important. The 5th rule that I have is to don't admit your fault. This is a mistake that so many people make, especially if you're the person who rear-ended another person or who T-boned another person. Right away, they're quick to admit their fault, but don't do it. Rather than trying to figure out who is liable and pointing fingers, focus on the facts. Focus on what happened, focus on the details of the crash, and that's it. When the police comes up to you and fills out the police report, don't tell them, officer, I'm sorry, it was all my fault, because this will come back and bite you in the butt. Don't do it. Because once you admit fault and liability, the other driver's insurance company will definitely use that against you, and you just can't take your words back. I mean, once you say it, it's out there, it'll be recorded, it'll be documented. The 6th rule is don't give a statement to the insurance company. The other person's insurance company might call you and ask you to give them a statement. Don't do it. Don't do it, and just say, I want my lawyer there, or tell your lawyer about it and they will handle the situation. Because these insurance companies can be very sneaky. What they want to do is try to get you to admit that you were the one at fault. And they're trained, you guys. They're trained to ask questions in ways to get you to admit fault, and they'll use that against you, because what they're going to do is record the statement and they can use it against you, and they will. So don't be a victim of that. They know that you're vulnerable. So if they ever approach you to give a statement about what happened, don't do it. And they're going to try to be as nice as possible to try to get you to talk to them. Don't fall into that trap, you guys. Say no. You can say no. You're not forced into it. Just say no next time they ask you for a statement. Okay? Don't forget that. So important. And also, number 7. Sorry, guys. It's been a long day. Number 7 is don't talk about your car crash on social media. You guys, social media today, it's big. And let me tell you something. It's also big for attorneys. Once a client comes to us with a car crash case, guess what we do? We look in every place where we can find more information about the case. I mean, social media is a big place we look. And trust me, we investigate. So next time, before you talk about your car crash in like Facebook comments or something, think about this. Because if you have a claim against you, or you're trying to bring a claim against somebody else, just know that attorneys are paying attention. And if you accidentally just slip out something, they're going to use that against you. So it's so important to stay away from social media and talking about your car crash on social media. I don't want you to lose your case if that ever happens. Okay, so step number 8, last and final step, and it's none other than hire a personal injury attorney. Nathan's gonna kill me for doing that, but I'm serious, you guys. If you've been in a fatal car crash, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go seek an attorney, a personal injury attorney, and get your case resolved, because there are negligent drivers out there. And there's a reason why I have been saying car crash instead of car accident, because you can easily associate accident with a mistake, with like, it happens, right? Like, it happens. No, there are drivers out there who are negligent, and they cause other drivers severe and significant injuries. I mean, it's just so sad. The cases that I've seen, it's so sad. I mean, people become so injured that they can't even work anymore. They can't support their family. Their life just turns upside down. So that's why I like to call it car crash instead of car accidents, because, words matter. That's right. Words matter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this rule of 8 that I have is informative and it's helpful. I'm just going to go through all of them again. Step number 1, seek medical help, seek medical treatment. Don't wait on it. Take care of yourself. Step number 2 is fill out a police report. And if your state requires to fill out a crash report, do that too. Step number 3, report the crash to your insurance company. Don't wait on it. Don't think you can hide it. No, report it to your insurance company. Step number 4, gather information, as much information as you can, and make sure you get down witness contact information. It's just only going to help you and your case down the road. Step number 5, don't admit your fault. You guys, don't say, I'm sorry, it was my fault. No, just focus on the facts. That's it. And move on. We'll figure out who's liable later. The attorneys will figure out who's liable later. Don't admit your fault. Save yourself, please. Step number 6, don't give a statement to the insurance company. If they ask you for it, say no. You have every right to say no and move on. Don't give it to them, you guys. Step number 7, don't discuss your car crash online on social media. You're just going to set yourself up for a very tough road down the road.
Okay.
A very tough situation down the road. So you guys don't do it. And last but not least, hire a personal injury attorney who knows what they're doing and who is confident in your case. And if you follow these 8 steps, I'm sure and positive that you will be all set the next time you get into a car crash. And if you have any other questions, call me, contact me on social media. I'm happy to help. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget about the giveaway. All you have to do is hit subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below what your favorite color is. My favorite color is pink. So what's your favorite color? So that's all you have to do is hit subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below what your favorite color is. And this amazing prize can be yours. Okay, guys, stay safe out there, okay? Talk to you next week. Bye.